Hello guys, this is Dr. D. Rajalakshmi, Associate Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, RMD Engineering College. Welcome to today's session. Today's session is an introduction video about design and analysis of algorithms. In this video, we are going to start design and analysis of algorithms subjects, which is one of the most important subjects of computer science and engineering, or we can say it is one of the main core subject of computer science. Why is it? The first aspect is from the comprehensive exam point of view. First, let's consider the gate exam. In the gate exam, approximately 10 marks of the question paper comprises question from algorithms. So we can be sure that out of the 100 marks paper, the 10% of the syllabus comes from this subject mainly. Or if we talk about the UGC net, which we also call NTA net, approximately 10 marks of the question paper will definitely come from this algorithm subject. And the next aspect we are going to talk about is from the placement point of view. If we see from the company's point of view, then there is one of the main as well as important subject is algorithms, because even the highest paid companies like Facebook, Microsoft are still asking questions from data structures as well as algorithms, because whatever technologies are in use in recent times, algorithm is the underlying architecture. If we take Google as an example, obviously we browse on Google on a daily basis. Now even if we search for a simplest thing possible, Google is dealing with petabytes of data. Now from the largest amount of data, when it searches the simplest query you entered, how does it get searched and display the relevant web pages related to it? That is the searching algorithm with which the search engine works. Now if you are searching on YouTube for top trending movies or top trending songs, which means you are searching the required data based on the viewers rating and subscriptions. That is, you are sorting. Now what happens behind the screen? The sorting algorithm is used and is doing its part. Now let's talk about Google Maps, which we are using the most nowadays. When we about earlier days, we used to follow the routes told by some strangers to go left, right, and all those things to reach a place. But we now simply use Google Maps, which after giving input about the destination, it shows us multiple paths from which we can choose and use the shortest or optimal path available for us. Now what is working here? The shortest path algorithm, which is the base for the same sequence. So whatever highest or highly profitable companies are there, they won't ask us for any of the technologies applied or used in the sequence. The main question they would ask you about is data structures and algorithms, because companies may have their own modules, they have their own technologies and quality softwares. They would want you to work on that. But first of all, they ask the candidates about the concept. Therefore, both data structures and algorithms are the main as well as important subjects to be known. So here in this video, we are going to discuss about the introduction to design and analysis of algorithm subject, syllabus, and whatever important points are to be followed. In the first unit, notion of an algorithm, fundamentals of algorithmic problem solving, and then we have asymptotic notations and their properties, analysis framework, mathematical analysis for recursive and non-recursive algorithms. Under the fundamentals of algorithmic problem solving, we will be seeing the steps followed for solving a problem using algorithms. Then analysis framework is important title which is available here, and under this particular title we will be seeing the steps used to analyze an algorithm. Analyzing an algorithm means finding time complexity as well as space complexity of an algorithm. Time complexity plays vital role. It's very important concept. It gives the time required to solve a problem. Then mathematical analysis for recursive and non-recursive algorithms. Recursive, that is, we can classify algorithms into two types. One is called as recursive algorithm and non-recursive algorithms. Under this particular topic, we will be seeing about the steps to be followed for analyzing or for finding time complexity of recursive as well as non-recursive algorithms. Then after this one, we have lab exercises based on Unit 1. In Unit 2, we will be studying about the algorithm designing techniques, brute force and divide and conquer. Okay, so brute force technique, under brute force, it is going to be a straightforward approach for solving a problem. Under this, we will be seeing example like string matching problem, then exhaustive search algorithm for knapsack problem, where exhaustive search is the brute force technique possible for solving combinatorial problems. Then the next technique what we are going to use in the second unit is divide and conquer technique. Using this technique, we'll be solving problems, that is the following problems: binary search, merge sort, quick sort, multiplication of large integers, closest pair problem, convex cell problems. Then using transform and conquer method, heap sort problem we will be solving. Then after this, we have the list of exercises. Then Unit 3. Unit 3 is dealing with dynamic programming technique. It is also an algorithm designing technique, and this technique follows the principle of optimality. So it guarantees for the optimal solution. Under this, we will be seeing the following algorithms. Floyd's algorithm. Floyd's algorithm actually it is used to solve all pair shortest path problem. Then multi-stage graph problem, optimal binary search tree, longest common subsequence, matrix chain multiplication, traveling salesman problem, knapsack problem, and the exercises, lab exercises also we will be seeing under the third unit. In the fourth unit, greedy technique and iterative improvement technique. Under greedy technique, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Huffman trees. These are the problems we are going to solve. Using Prim's algorithm and Kruskal's algorithm, we can find the minimum spanning tree of the given graph. Then, using iterative improvement technique, the following problems are going to be solved: maximum flow problem, maximum matching and bipartite graph, and the stable marriage problem. Then, apart from this, we have the lab experiments also in the fourth unit. In fifth unit, we will be studying about backtracking technique and branch and bound technique. Apart from these two techniques, we will be studying about the P class problem, NP class problems, NP complete problems, NP hard problems. Then under backtracking technique, n queens problem, subset sum problem are going to be solved. Using branch and bound technique, we will be solving assignment problem, knapsack problem. Apart from this, we will be studying about the approximation algorithms available for NP hard problems. That is, for traveling salesman problem, the approximation algorithms are going to be seen in the fifth unit, and the related lab exercises will be seen in the fifth unit. Thank you.